Raillitina garrisoni. So our garrisoni, the genus was named in 1920 in honor of a French veterinarian and helminthologist, Louis Joseph Alcide Rayleigh, or Riley, whatever however is that pronounced. So Raillitina garrisoni, it's a rat tapeworm among children. And this species is found in the jejunum and ileum of the definitive host and can cause reduced growth, emaciation, weakness, and digestive tract obstruction. So, Raillitina garrisoni, um, their larval stage, or the cysticercoid, they reside in various invertebrate intermediate hosts such as your ants, your beetles, your small mini wasps, or termites. So for the egg, they measure 75 by 95 micrometers and they're usually included in capsules inside the gravid segments. So the number of capsules per gravid segment and of eggs inside each capsule is species specific. So this is your other Raillitina species. For your R. cysticilius, that's your broad-headed tapeworm, it's up to 13 centimeter long and 1 to 3 millimeters wide. In chicken, turkey, and many wild birds found worldwide. Your R. echinobothrida, or the nodular tapeworm, it's up to 25 centimeters long and 1 to 4 millimeters wide. In chicken, pigeon, pheasants, and they are found also worldwide. Your R. tetragona is up to 25 centimeters long and 1 to 4 millimeters wide, and it's found in numerous domestic and wild birds and found worldwide, while your R. bonini is up to 7 centimeters long and 1.5 millimeters wide. They are mainly found in pigeons, and they are found in Europe and Near and Middle East. So your Arcisticilius, that's your broad-headed tapeworm. It's up to adults can go up to 13 centimeters long and 1 to 3 millimeters wide. Ayan, so I think this is just... Okay, that's your tetragona and your echinobothrida. For the intermediate host, that's your Opatroides frater and your Tribolium confusum. So for the life cycle, it's very simple and it's very typical of your cestodes. So the motile proteids start at 1. The motile proteids containing numerous egg capsules are shed in the definitive host feces. Then your arthropod intermediate host ingests those proglottids or free egg capsules. And as they were released, as the proglotid breaks down in your environment. So again, typical of your tapeworms. And within the intermediate host, the oncospheres are released from the eggs and they develop into cysticercoid. Then the definitive host becomes injected after they ingest the intermediate host containing the cysticercoid. And the scolex, the arms with in the garrisoni, the scolex armed with 2 rows of hammer-shaped hooks. They anchor to your small intestinal wall, where maturation to the adult stage occurs. And aberrant human infections may occur when infected arthropod intermediate hosts are ingested. Okay, so we diagnose this by recovery and identification of your proglottids, egg capsules, or scolices from the stool. And it's probable that most cases are asymptomatic. The presence of white motile proglottids in the stool typically prompts clinical attention. And nearly all known cases have been found from young children. So we treat this with albendazole, febendazole, praziquantel, of oxfendazole, and niclosamide, and we prevent this by disruption of the habitat of intermediate hosts near poultry farms.